language explorers. Today we are venturing into a world of English to uncover the secrets of along and alongside. These two words might sound like two peas in a pod, but trust me, they have got their unique styles. So let's unravel the mystery here. Now imagine you are on a walk along a river. You follow a path and river flows beside you. Here's where along comes into play. It's when things move in the same direction or run parallel. तो कोई चीज़ साथ साथ चलती है. When you say I am walking along the river, आप river के साथ साथ चल रहे हैं. It's like saying I am walking in the same direction as the river flows. Now picture this in your mind that maybe a Batman and Robin, they work together side by side, like tackling challenges together, doing everything together. Now this is where alongside comes in. It's all about things happening together or side by side. So साथ साथ चलती है. When you say I work alongside my best friend, that means you are telling everyone that you are partners like a team. Like fighting together, facing challenges together, right? So by wrapping it up, I want to say this, that along is for things moving in the same direction, like synchronized swimmers in a pool, तो साथ साथ swimming कर रहे होते हैं, and alongside is for things happening side by side, like your partner in crime, your Batman to your Robin. Well, here's a little test for you. She strolled dash the beach, enjoying the view. Now, should I put along or alongside here? Think about it and share your answer below in the comment section. And there you have it, the dynamic duo, along and alongside. Whether you are talking about things running in the same direction or buddies facing life challenges together, you have got the word superpowers to rock it. So, rock it and stay tuned.